Welcome to 3D Printer OS, the easiest way to manage your 3D printers across your organization. In this video, we will show some of our settings for organization admins. In the Slicing and Apps tab, you can choose your preferred default slicer and disable unwanted ones, so your users will not get confused. Don't forget to save the changes. In the Printing tab, you can change settings such as printing limits. We discussed this in our previous video. All settings related to advanced users are in this tab. In the Admins tab, you can toggle the setting to share printers or projects with other admins or to receive an email when a user submits a print job. In the Payments tab, you can find all settings related to print pricing. For example, you can set up the default user balance in your organization. To customize your SSO or other specific settings not mentioned before, navigate to the Customization tab. Feel free to check out our channel for more videos about our platform. Don't hesitate to reach out if you have any questions.